Good morning, ma'am. My topic is all about fake news and misinformation responsibility of netizens. In today's digital age, sharing information has become incredibly fast and easy because of the internet and modern technology. Unlike before, when news had to go through newspapers, television, or radio, people can now instantly post updates online using platforms like Facebook or TikTok. With just a single click means that once someone presses a button to post or share something, it can immediately be seen by hundreds, thousands, or even millions of users. Because of this, platforms are connected globally. Information is not limited by location anymore. Someone in one country can share news that people on the other side of the world can see within seconds. This speed is possible because of the internet's wide reach and the way social media works. When users interact with posts by liking, sharing or commenting, the content spreads even more, reaching a larger audience quickly. While this makes communication faster and more convenient, it also means that false or misleading information can spread just as rapidly if people are not careful. Fake news and misinformation are both types of false information, but they differ in intent. Fake news is created on purpose to deceive people. It is designed to look like real, credible news, even mimicking trusted sources. But its goal is often to mislead, gain attention, or influence opinions. For example, a completely fabricated story shared widely on platforms like Facebook or TikTok can trick people into believing something that isn't true. On the other hand, misinformation is false information that is spread without the intent to deceive. A person might share incorrect details simply because they believe it is true, without checking its accuracy. Even though there is no harmful intention, misinformation can still cause confusion, spread fear, or lead to wrong decisions. In short, fake news is deliberately false, while misinformation is incorrect but often shared unknowingly, yet both can spread quickly online and have serious effects on society. Netizens should avoid sharing unverified content even if it matches their personal beliefs, because agreeing with something does not make it true. When people share information just because it supports their opinions, they risk spreading false or misleading claims. This behavior can make misinformation spread even faster, especially on platforms like Facebook and where posts can quickly reach large audience. Even if the intention is not to mislead, the impact can still be harmful, causing confusion, reinforcing biases, or influencing others based on incorrect information. Being responsible online means putting truth above personal belief. By choosing not to share unverified content, netizens help promote accuracy, fairness, and a more trustworthy digital environment. One of the primary responsibilities of netizens is to verify information before sharing it, because not everything online is accurate or trustworthy. With the speed of social media, false information can easily spread if people share posts without checking their validity. Verifying information means taking a few minutes to confirm if the content comes from a reliable source, checking if other credible outlets report the same story, and being cautious of misleading headlines or edited images. For instance, before reposting something on platforms like Facebook or TikTok, users should ask, "Is this true? Where did it come from?" By practicing this habit, netizens helps prevent the spread of misinformation and contribute to a more informed and responsible online community. Next one is evaluate the source. Not all websites are trustworthy. Netizens should check where the information is coming from by looking at the website's About Us section, examining the URL, and identifying whether the site is known for satire, bias, or misinformation. Just like, for example, you come across a shocking political story on Facebook from a website with a strange URL like newsdailyupdate.com.co. Upon checking, you notice the site has no clear author or credible background. Realizing it may not be reliable, you avoid sharing it. The last one is check the date. Sometimes old news stories are reported as if they are current, which can mislead people. Netizens should always check when the article or post was originally published. Just like, for example, a video circulates on TikTok showing a natural disaster, claiming it is happening now. After checking, you discover the video is from several years ago and is being shared out of context. Instead of spreading panic, you inform others that the content is outdated. So, by practicing these responsibilities, netizens become more critical thinkers and help prevent the spread of fake news and misinformation online. The role of digital literacy. Digital literacy is the ability to find, understand, evaluate, and use information responsibly online. In a world where content spreads quickly, netizens serves as the first line of defense against misinformation. Their everyday actions, whether to share, question, or ignore content, directly affect how information circulates. When netizens practice digital literacy, they learn to pause and think before reacting. Instead of instantly sharing a post, they take time to verify its accuracy, check reliable sources, and consider its impact. This simple act of slowing down is important because misinformation often spreads faster than the truth, accurately on platforms like Facebook and TikTok, where viral content is prioritized. By being careful and critical, netizens can stop false information from gaining traction. For example, choosing not to share an unverified post or even correcting it in the comments can prevent it from reaching a wider audience. In this way, responsible users help create a more accurate and trustworthy online environment. In short, digital literacy empowers netizens to become responsible gatekeepers of information, ensuring that truth spreads just as effectively as or even more than misinformation. In conclusion, combating fake news and misinformation is not solely the responsibility of governments or media organizations. It is a shared duty among all netizens. By practicing critical thinking, verifying sources, and sharing responsibly. Individuals can contribute to a more informed and truthful online community. In a world where information is power, responsible usage of that power is essential. That's all. Thank you.